Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Mechanics Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Mechanics Bank Login. There, go to the first result that shows up or go to www.mechanicsbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Mechanics Bank. Then go to then click to login from the top right corner. There, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Mechanics Bank account. If you have forgot your user ID or password, you can get help by clicking to user ID or password. And if you haven't registered for online banking yet, you can get help by clicking to register for online banking. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.